Hiccup, something new.
What is it?
A computer. You can search things on the World Wide Web. It won't hurt you, Hiccup. It's just metal and glass.
Oh, I just hurt myself.
Hiccup. Hiccup, it won't hurt you. You can search for things on there. And look at pictures. Look at dragons. You can play games with dragons on there.
It makes a noise.
That's called the mouse.
This is not a mouse.
Yes, it is.
No, mouses are, I know what a mouse is.
That's not a different
fuzzy,
kind.
And it crawls across the floor and it squeaks and it eats our food and we have to catch it. You know, that's what terrible terrors are for.
That's a different kind of mouse, Hiccup.
So this thing is also called a mouse?
Yes,
Why do you call it a mouse?
because you just do. It's law.
It's law.
Yep.
So what, if I called it a dragon?
They'd arrest you. They'd arrest you. Okay, Hiccup. Let's learn about the computer.
The mouse moves.
Yep.
This thing.
You see? You can click things. And it'll open things. You have to click it twice. See? Look. Now you're on the World Wide Web.
Wow. This is interesting, but what the hell am I looking at?
Here, Hiccup.
I don't understand this. I don't read
What you do?
English.
You go.
What language is this?
This is American English. You know, English. Let's watch.
I can't read that. It's not in Norse.
Look,
It's
Hiccup.
not in Norse. I can't read it. So what?
Just
What
watch.
does it do? Why is my home on TV?
That's on TV. It's called YouTube. It's videos online.
What the fuck? Are you following me around with that thing? Whatever the hell it is.
Camera.
What? I don't understand this. It's like my whole life. And, yeah.
It's you, Hiccup. Sort of. Don't worry about it, Hiccup. It's just another invention for you to learn about. See? He uses one.
So I wasn't the only one that saw me take down the Night Fury aside
No,
from
that was
the
only
nightmare.
you. That was only you. But look, see, that boy there can use computers too. You could learn from him.
How are we there?
See?
We're here.
See? He's on a computer too.
I don't understand. How are they over here?
Because it's in the past. So it's like replay. See? Look, he's on a computer too.
I can't read that. Hello?
You have to pick an option. A, B, or C. I think you made him mad. I think you just failed.
Do computers usually take your dragons?
No, that was a person, not a computer, Hiccup. He won't give it back. You have to pick the right option. A, B, or C. Uh-oh.
Understand what's he doing?
I'm getting out of here. You can get blown up alone.